This is the fourth video in the Braintwister combo series. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about the outside roll to string, how to do pops on your bottom mount, and the bottom to top mount transfer. Now, outside roll to string isn't a very difficult trick, but it is a useful transition to add flow to your combo. To perform this, what you're going to do is perform your outside variation of Wave Rider, but instead of catching the yo-yo on your throw hand like you normally would, you're actually going to curl these fingers in. This will allow the yo-yo to roll on the outside and over your non-throw hand finger, mounting the yo-yo on the string. Now, to finish performing the outside roll to string, all that you're going to do is dismount the yo-yo and roll it in the opposite direction, landing back in your bottom mount. Now, once you have the outside roll to string down smooth, you can also perform this on the inside of your throw hand. It's a little bit more tricky, but it works just the same. Now, before you learn pops on the bottom mount, we do recommend that you check out our pops on the side mount video. The concept is still similar. You're still sliding the loop off of your finger and remounting the yo-yo, but instead of shooting the yo-yo out like we teach in the side mount video, these pops are actually going down. Now, if you're having trouble with the yo-yo snagging on you, you'll want to shorten the tail of the mount to decrease the chances that the yo-yo will snag. The bottom to top mount transfer is a good way to transfer the yo-yo from the bottom to the top mount without breaking up the flow of your combo. To perform this, what you're going to do is mount the yo-yo in your bottom mount, and from here you're going to curl your non-throw hand index finger in. And from here you're going to start hopping the yo-yo up. And what you're going to do is rotate your throw hand around your non-throw hand, similar to the manual unwrap, and this will allow you to land the yo-yo on the string. You can also perform a top to bottom mount transfer. That one looks like this. Now, to do this one, you're going to start by landing in your top mount, and from here, you're going to hop the yo-yo up like we taught in our last transfer, but instead of rotating your arm around like in the manual unwrap, you're going to move it forward and keep your throw hand above your non-throw hand. When you combine these two together, it should allow you to land in your bottom mount. Now, you'll actually notice that when you perform these transfers separately, it creates half of a twist in the string that's around your non-throw hand. You can cancel this out by actually performing them back to back. This will negate the twists that are in the string. You can also put half of a twist in the string before performing one singular element, and that will remove the twists from the string. Now, the outside roll to string stacks in a few different ways. From this mount, you can actually stack that with a double on, and from this mount you can also do all of your flips and your rolls before unrolling to go back into the bottom mount. Now, something that you might not have noticed is that this is actually a phantom mount, but you can't use it until you insert your thumb in the string closest to your fingertip. From here, you can dismount your phantom mount however you like. Now, there's lots of different opportunities to stack pops within tricks that we've already taught you on the Braintwister mount. If you're still having trouble learning the basic pops, we recommend that you try doing it after performing one roll. This adds a wrap of string to your finger, which removes almost all chance that the yo-yo is going to snag on you. You can also perform a pop from double on. Now, be careful with this because this one does snag more often and is a little bit more difficult to learn. Also, there's a really cool pop that you can do from the outside roll to string. From here, you're going to pop the yo-yo outwards, but instead of remounting it in the bottom mount like you normally would, you're going to land it in the top mount. Now, if you're having a bit of trouble learning this, you can actually perform the pop before you land the yo-yo on the top string. And from here, you can perform the transfers that we talked about earlier in this video. There's lots of really cool options. So, learn these elements, incorporate them into your combo with good flow, and you're well on your way to creating the ultimate Braintwister combo.